to the BnB, the best investing channel on YouTube.
Today we're gonna present an amazing investing opportunity. That stock is
Pepsico, Pepsico, Pepsico. Amazing dividend opportunity.
This is Nuevo from the future. I hope you enjoyed my singing. Before we start this video, I have to show you that I own Pepsico in 2 accounts. Here's one, here's 2 very small photos. If you want to see them correctly, watch until the end of the video and I'll show you how much I own of Pepsico stock. For Matthias Woodley, he has some, but I'm unfortunately not able to contact him right now to get his Pepsico stake. But tune in, maybe next video I'll tell how much he owns of Pepsico.
In my case, I'll be presenting the bearish sides of Pepsico. So the first bearish side is its PE ratio. We have seen a spike in PepsiCo's PE ratio, and it might be justified by the company's growth expectation, but such expectation leads to higher execution risks, which means that management has to deliver higher returns in order for the stock to stay the same, and if they don't, the stock will go down. So the P ratio went from around 14 in 2008 to around 27 in 2021. If you don't know what P ratio is, it's a metric that allows you to verify the valuation of a company. It's one of Warren Buffett's favorite metrics. You can say that Pepsico is valued higher than it was in 2008 when the P ratio was only 14. Also, PepsiCo has a decent amount of debt. They currently have around $23 billion in debt. But on a positive note, they're aiming for it to be around $20 billion by the end of this year. But if you want to compare its debt to, let's say, Coca-Cola's debt, which is a company pretty similar, ticker symbol KO, Coca-Cola has a higher market cap and only has $14.6 billion in debt, which is a lot better than PepsiCo's balance sheet in terms of liabilities. Now, moving to PepsiCo's payout, they currently have a 77% payout, which is higher than the previous years that I can see right here in 2018 only had 40%. Anyway, the payout is healthy only if it's between 50 and 70% of payout. So basically, if it's over 70%, it could probably decrease the dividends in the incoming years, and currently it's at a 77% dividend payout.
And now, on a positive note, let's talk about the bullish option that PepsiCo presents. When you think of PepsiCo, you think of only the Pepsi drink, but that's not the case. The company owns all the brand that you're currently seeing on screen. They're just rolling and rolling. Bubbly, Doritos, Gatorade, all these amazing brands PepsiCo owns, and they're juggernauts in their domain. If you think about it, Gatorade in sports drink, I think it's the top dog. It's the top dog. You cannot deny that. The company also has partnership with major brands such as Starbucks, and those Starbucks drink that you're currently seeing those retail store, then PepsiCo owns a profits from them. Moving to the dividend side of the company, PepsiCo has been growing its dividend from a very long time. Ever since the company was made and it's been profitable, it's been growing its dividend. And we're gonna look at it on the 5-year data, so we can see that PepsiCo has been growing its dividend every year from around 7% to 15%, which is insane, honestly, for such a good growing company. A stock is growing, and then this dividend is growing. A very good option. And for very recently, we have some good news that it's cutting its margins, which has led to 31% jump in its net earning, which is very profitable. Again, cannot lie, this company only delivers profit, and it delivers higher than expected earning every quarter. You can see on the screen, last quarter it beat earning estimates by 11%. Very profitable, and I'm going to repeat that as much as I have to because it is profitable. And now let's move to the best and the most bullish news we have on PepsiCo. It recently announced a mango flavored soda. Mango is my favorite, and you cannot deny how good mangoes are. PepsiCo, mango, buy. And then we own some PepsiCo product. Tostitos. Thank you very much for watching the BnB, Bullish, Bearish, every news, dividend stocks. If you want it, you get it. Thank you very much.
Okay, so in my first account, I own 29 Pepsico share, which comes around at $316.54, gain of 8%. Very good. Book cost 3,800 and market value right now 4,100. So if I sell them right now, I'm making $300. And just today, when I'm releasing this video, PepsiCo dividend are being distributed, so I made even more money on top of that. And on my second account, you can see I made $317. Average cost was higher on this one because I bought it before the first account, and I have more money in here, obviously. So yeah, we're doing some good profit.